Hey Ross, sauce it up.
And I got all my feels. I'm getting this paper, I'm stacking a meal. I'm with your hoe in the house on the hills. Yeah. I'ma keep it real, at the sacrifice to try to get my bands up. Shorty wanna fuck with me, she see me on the camera. She said she in love with me, but really I can't stand her. She just want part of this life, cause she see me on the ground. Double tap like who I am. Shit can get dangerous, ride with the blam. Shit can get dangerous, shit can get dangerous. Oh.
Walking to the store, it's a white on an op block. Pull up with a gang, yeah, dancing like it's hot sauce. To the LAX, talking back in the drop top. Bringing all the friends, looking bad in the cross top. Dangerous, I might ice my wrist. Yeah, I got it clear, yeah, I got it fit. I might take a bitch, I ain't take a hit. Watch what you wish, yo, like NASCAR, running with a Mac, I can blast far. Track star, smoky like a pack in my backyard. Black heart, shawty scream my name in the black car. Yeah, she likes it when I hit, when I tap. Wait, what? Ay, shawty's the same, not without me, she ain't function. Running out the game, I don't got no time for love. Shawty, stick to your lane, I don't wanna hear you bugging. I live on the east side, where the streets fly. Yeah, the shawty is a dancer, with a free mind. Yeah, you thought you couldn't handle, yo, she's mine. In the back of the Benz, while she leave you behind.
This road up here is where my first like wheelie session on the 636 happened. Wouldn't it be cool to compare this to like what I'm about to do to what I did before? That'd be sick. Ooh. That one was really good. Look how many, dude, look how many turn signals there is, dude. Oh my gosh, I've got to find what it was. I need to take the clip from the Jigsaw video where it had snowed and somebody ran off the road right here, because that is funny, dude.
You know, normally on this turn there's a sign here and a sign there. Couldn't imagine when this happened. Somebody come up here when it was all icy and snowy and yeet!
That's why there's so many signs. I go for a big ass dip, I think. Woo! Nope, that was too much.
I think I'm in love.